everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I did this beautiful look for you guys today using, of course, my favorite Juviasplace palette, and I am going to be doing a giveaway, you guys. I said I'm going to be bringing a giveaway to you, and yes, today is the day. I announced my giveaway today, and I'm going to be using Juviasplace palette to do this beautiful look you see right here. And the lippy that you're looking at right now is new to me. I tried a new lip product, you guys, so you got to stay tuned and watch the video to see what product this is on my lips. I think it's really bold and really daring. Obviously not for everybody, okay? I get that. Not for the faint of heart. Okay. Yeah, this is a nice look, and I thought I would, you know, switch it up a little bit with you guys. If you're stumbling on my channel for the first time, welcome. Join the family. Hit that subscribe button, baby. Hit that button over there. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell button in the corner so that you get notified every time I upload. So yes, if you want to see how we do the beautiful look today, keep watching. The shadow we're going to be playing with today is the first baby of Juviasplace, and that is the Nubian palette. So you can see the palette is gorgeous. It has all the warm colors. It has the shimmers. It has the matte. You name it. So my base is already done. So this is my palette right here. I kind of dropped it, so cracked. Luckily, we didn't lose all the soldiers in here. They're all still living, except one. You know, one's got a broken leg, but you know, she's gonna be just fine. She's gonna be just fine. She's gonna hold on. So first, I'm gonna prime my eyes, and I'm going to be using the NYX Jumbo Eye pencil in Milk. I'm going to use this shade right here to start off my eye look. Just going to dip into that and to the crease. So how you guys doing? What has been going on in your life? What's going on in your area code? Yeah, look. This African girl right here is so over this winter, like no joke. It's so gloomy, you know. It can be a little depressing actually during the winter time, during the winter months. You know, there's just something that happens to you when you see sunlight. There's just a change in your body. There's a change in your mind, you know, mentally and everything. You just feel like you can, you know, you can take over the world. Next, we're gonna pick up this brown matte shade at the bottom right here. Put it into a crease to deepen it. Okay, so next I'm gonna go with this like a reddish copper shade right here. I'm gonna deepen that part of my crease, and I'm going to be using this dark shade right here. I'm gonna go into the Saharan palette, and I'm gonna pick up Chad. We all know that Chad packs a punch, okay? So just put in Chad right there to give it some more dark. So just to blend out the harshness of the dark shade we just used, I'm gonna go back into the crease with this shade called Jamila. Okay, and we're gonna go and put some color in there and use that to blend. I'm gonna go in and pick up this beautiful copper shimmer eyeshadow. Just dip my brush into that. Put that on top, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna go back and line our eyes. I'm using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So I was thinking of doing some glitter. What do you think? Should we put some glitter on there? Okay, sure, let's do it. So I'm gonna use my NYX glitter primer. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in the center. I think that's just what I'm gonna put on the glitter. Just a bit. Just right there, just to give us a hint of extra sparkle. So going back into my Valley Makeup palette, and I think I'm gonna pick up just a teensy bit of this gold glitter right here. I'm gonna use my brush because I don't want to have it too concentrated. We just want to have a tinge of sparkle. So I'm gonna conceal and do the whole bronzing bit, and we're just gonna speed through it all. I'm going to be using Mary Kay Mineral Powder Foundation in the shade Bronze 3. And I'm just going to use that to go all over my face. So now I'm going to use my bronzer. You guys already know I'm in love with CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronzer. And remember, it was broken for a while now, but guess what, guys? I fixed it. I actually went on YouTube and I searched how to fix broken, products and stuff like that. And you actually can fix your broken eyeshadows or bronzers or whatever with just using some rubbing alcohol. So next I'm going to spray my face down my Scandinavia finishing spray just to melt the whole powder. Okay guys, so we have popped on the lashes and now we're going to go and highlight our face. I'm going to be using my Addis Couture Bronze and Le Peach together. I'm actually going to pick up a bit of Abbey. It's really dark. Just give some more depth to my bronzer a bit. Going to pick up Neo. And just pop her, of course, right there. I'm going to pick up a little bit of Toby. And just put that just in the center, sort of on the center of my cheeks. Okay, so for my lips, I'm actually going to use this Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink. I picked it up from the drugstore. I thought, why not give it a try? Okay, it's in the shade Protector. It is like a dark, if you guys can see that, it's a dark brown. It is a dark brown. I think it's going to be really dark, but we're going to try it. If I don't like it, we'll change it. It smells really yummy. And see how it turns out. Dark chocolate, dark chocolate. What do you guys think? Do you like it? This is my first time trying anything lips from Maybelline. I've never tried any of the product before. So this, like I said, is a Superstay Matte Ink. And that is some chocolate though. Do you think it goes well with this look, or should I go for something different? I think we should stick with it. I think it's nice. It's nice with the look. But of course you have the option to use whatever look color you like. So that completes our look, you guys. I think it came out pretty well. What do you think? What do you think about this look? Do you love juviasplace palette as much as I do? Because look, that palette's a fire, baby. Like, you cannot deny. So that brings us to the end of this tutorial today. I hope you love the makeup look. Is it something you will rock? Let me know in the comments. Now to my giveaway. I'm going to be giving one lucky subscriber this beautiful palette by juviasplace. That is a palette we played with today. And this is my palette right here. You can see that I love it. I love all the colors. They're very beginner friendly colors. They're nothing too overpowering or too intimidating for anybody, especially if you're someone who's just starting with makeup. It's not something that's going to scare you away. Okay, it's something that you will look at and think, wow, yeah, this I can work with. It's very earthy, it's very bronzy, and it's got your mattes, your shimmers, your satin. It's got all those beautiful colors in there, and that's why I love this palette. So first of all, if you haven't done so already, you need to subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram. I want to be reading your comments. I want to be hearing your thoughts on my videos. The more active you are on my channel, the better chance you stand to win. And we're going to be doing a draw for this baby at 300 subscribers. Good luck to everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Just be interactive. Let me know what you want to see on my channel. Let me know your thoughts on my videos. Just have fun with it, okay? Just have fun with it, and I will pick out somebody who's gonna wear this palette at 300. So I look forward to reading your comments. I look forward to hearing from all of you. Show love to everyone you come across. Hold your loved ones tight every day, because life is precious. So I will see you on the next video. Bye.